pre-open. So well, there you have market open. Let's take a look at what the rates are looking like at the first trade right now and at the market open. You have Nifty that's looking absolutely flat, but a slight bit of a shade of green coming in, a 0.2% uptick coming in on Nifty. Sensex too, similar moves, 0.2% uptick coming in. The advanced decline ratio for now is looking healthy. On the back of that, I want to take a look at what the broader markets are up to in today's trading session, because yesterday, remember, there was slight outperformance coming in by the broader end of the market, even though the benchmarks were in the red. And you have the small cap index that's absolutely in tandem, 0.2% uptick coming in. Nifty mid cap is also gaining by about 0.2%. So the breadth is looking steady, but we don't have any clear outperformers as of now. Let's take a look at some of the newsmakers today. Apollo Hospitals, that stock is already up 3.5%. You have Asian Paints also that's doing well on the back of an ICICI Securities note wherein they've hiked the target price. So 1.5% uptick coming in on Asian Paints as well. It's Dr. Reddy's BEL Geo Financial from the Nifty gainers. On the flip side, slight bit of a pressure coming in on the index from Bajaj Auto, Trend, Axis Bank and Titan. So that is what the first gainers and losers look like in today's trading session. Other than that, it's the real estate space that's once again taking charge. You have DLF, Oberoi Realty, Lodha that are doing well. That's followed by Pharma, FMCG, Bank, Energy and IT. What seems to be under slight bit of a pressure today is the entire auto pack on the back of these auto sales numbers. Nifty Metal also under a little bit of a pressure and joined on the flat line over there by PSU Banks. But there's still lots of stocks to watch out for in today's trade.
Well, indeed. First up is Apollo Hospitals, like you rightly mentioned, 3% was the gap up, and now the stock is building on to the gains, and 4% is what the stock is trading at. Other than that, on the back of the business update, IREDA is doing well with 2.5% of the gain coming in. Bharat Dynamics is also the stock that is on the move, 2% higher, while NCC on the back of that new order inflow, over 16,000 crores of new orders coming in the month of June, the stock is inching higher with the gains of 1.6%. Select cement counters are doing well today. What I can see is that stocks like Ramco Cement, ACC, Ambuja, these are doing and holding on to good gains. Add to that list is Shree Cement also with 1.5% of gain coming in, and Asian Paints, I think it's the third straight day of gain coming in on this particular stock, higher by around 1.5%. Let's also have a look at what's not doing well right now, and it's Dixon Technologies. Once again, a bit of a profit booking trickling in, 2% down. SBI Cards, 1.5% of a cut coming in. And select banking counters like Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, these are your stocks which are drifting lower in the F&O space. But when it comes to the broader market strength, the strength still persists, where in the advance and the decline ratio, the number of stocks that are seen to be advancing are rather 3 times this number of stocks that are declining, while for India Wix 1.3% higher right now at 13 odd levels. Not much of a concern, I believe, when it comes to the bulls rally. But with this, let's go across to our experts then. Sharan and Aditya, both of our experts are with us. And Aditya, firstly, help us with your take on the opening for the markets today and also your first trade ideas.
It's absolutely flat, Srishti, on expected lines. I don't see any big bang move on the indices, both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. I feel it's going to be more of a consolidation that we are going to continue to see. Opening trade looks like it's been good for defense companies. We spoke of BEL at the start of the show, going good for the stock. Apart from that, look at Mazgaon Dock. That is also looking interesting to me. I think there's a good trading opportunity in Mazgaon Dock at current levels. One can actually look at initiating fresh longs here for a target of 3,600 on the upside, the stop loss at 3,200 on the downside. Apart from that, it's more of a wait and watch as of now. Defense definitely looks to be the leader as the markets have just started. And I think a bit of auto ancillary stocks are also doing good. So one eye is on tire stocks. Apollo Tire is looking interesting. If it starts to trade above 455 odd levels, then I'll be a buyer here for a target of 470 on the upside. But initial trades looks like defense is something which is looking interesting, and Mazgaon Dock is a buy for my side.
Looking good, and Mazgaon Dock looking good to Aditya at market open. Sharan, what about you? Where would you be placing your market open trades?
So recently I've seen a lot of action in the cement space, Ultratech, Dalmia Bharat, Shree Cement. So today I'm liking Ambuja Cements. It's given a breakout of a descending trend line a couple of days back. And I think the trend will continue. So you can actually go long in Ambuja Cements July futures. This will be a short-term to intraday trade. Stop loss should be around 576 basis. Your target should be around 599 to 610 levels. Second, again, I'm liking Glenmark Pharma from the pharma space. It's shown very good price action on the positive sides. Again, you can go long Glenmark July future with a stop loss of around 1725. The target should be around 1805 to 1845.